Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on solving systems of equations. In this one, I have a linear and a cubic. So that means I could have up to 3 solutions when these functions intersect. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this top equation, this 4x plus y equaling 3, and I'm going to isolate my y. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides and get y equals negative 4x plus 3. Okay, now I'm going to take my second equation, x cubed minus 3 plus y equaling 0, and I want to take what y equals, so this, what y equals, and substitute it in for what y equals in this second equation. So I'm going to have x cubed minus 3 plus, and instead of y, I'm going to use the y of the first equation, negative 4x plus 3 equals 0. Now, there's nothing outside this parenthesis, so I don't need to distribute anything in, so the parentheses can just fall away. I can kind of ignore the parentheses at this point because it's just a 1. So I really just have x cubed minus 3 minus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Well, minus 3 plus 3, they cancel each other out. So I have x cubed minus 4x equals 0. I can factor an x out, so x times x squared minus 4 equals 0. And then this is a difference of 2 squares. X times x plus 2 x minus 2 equals 0. All right, what this all means is I have 3 solutions. X equals 0, negative 2, and positive 2. If x equals 0, if I come back up to my original equations and I put in, maybe I'll do this up here, case A, x equals 0. If x equals 0, I have 4 times 0 plus y equals 3. In other words, y equals 3. If I check that, in the second equation, I have 0 cubed minus 3 plus 3 equals question mark 0. Well, that works out, which means 0, 3 is one of my solutions. Okay, next we have negative 2. So case B, x equals negative 2. Well, we're going to go back into this first equation again. We're going to use this 4x plus y equaling 3. And we're going to put this in. So 4 times negative 2 plus y equals 3. Negative 8 plus y equals 3. We'll add the 8 over. And y equals 11. So now we have negative 2, 11. And again, we want to check. We're going to check with the second equation. Is negative 2 cubed minus 3 plus 11 equal to 0. This is negative 8 minus 3 plus 11, negative 11 plus 11. That works out. So negative 2, 11 is our second solution. Now we have positive 2 x equals positive 2. And just like in case B, I'm going to start with our top equation, the 4x plus y equaling 3. and I'm going to substitute this 2 into that equation. So I have 4 times positive 2 plus y equaling 3. 8 plus y equals 3. I subtract the 8 over, and y equals a negative 5. So I have an x value, I have a y value. Once again, I want to check it in the bottom equation. So x cubed, 2 cubed, minus 3, plus y, which is negative 5. And we want to know, does this really equal 0? So 2 cubed is 8, minus 3, minus 5. Does this equal 0? 8 minus 3 is 5, minus 5. That works. So our last point is 2, negative 5. So we have found 3 points, 0, 3, negative 2, 11, and 2, negative 5. All 3 of these are points that these 2 functions, these 2 equations, where they intersect. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.